Okay, let's talk about something that sounds a little bit like science fiction. Healing your body with light. Yeah, you heard that right. We're going to dive into how specific kinds of red light can actually get deep inside your body and kickstart some pretty amazing healing processes.
So, that's the big question, isn't it? Can a beam of light really make a difference in how you feel? It seems kind of crazy, but stick with me because the science here is seriously cool and, honestly, a little mind-blowing.
All right, first up, healing with light. We're going to look at some of the incredible things this therapy claims to do. And the most important part? This isn't just wishful thinking. There's real science behind it all.
So, what's on the table here? Well, get this. We're talking about everything from smoother skin with fewer wrinkles to serious pain and inflammation relief. Athletes are using it to recover faster and perform better, and some people even swear it helps them sleep. It's a lot.
And you're probably thinking what I'm thinking. How? How can one thing, especially light, do all of that? It sounds way too good to be true. But the secret isn't magic. It's biology. We just have to zoom in, like way in.
The whole process has this really long scientific name, photobiomodulation. Don't let that word scare you off. All it means is that certain types of light can talk to your body's cells and tell them to get to work healing things and calming things down. That's it.
And listen, this is not some brand new, unproven idea. We're talking about more than 7,000 scientific studies that have looked into this. That's a huge amount of research, all pointing to the fact that, yeah, this stuff really works.
So how does light become energy? Well, the real action is happening on a microscopic level. We've got to go inside your cells to see what's really going on.
The best way to think about it is like charging a battery, your phone's battery, but for your cells. First, the light gets soaked up by these tiny little power factories in your cells called mitochondria. This light exposure basically wakes them up and gets them to produce more energy, a molecule called ATP. And when your cells have more energy, they can do their job so much better, whether that's repairing tissue or fighting inflammation.
Now here's a crucial detail. You can't just use any old light. Different types of light do different things. In this therapy, there are two main players that you really need to know about.
Okay, check this out. You've got red light, which doesn't travel very deep. It hangs out right at the surface, which makes it perfect for things like skin health. But then you have near-infrared, or NIR. This one is the long-distance traveler. It can penetrate way deeper, reaching into your muscles, your joints, even your brain. So that's what you want for deep tissue repair.
So the science is cool, right? But what does this look like in the real world? How do people actually get these benefits? Well, you've basically got two paths you can go down.
On one side, you have the big professional setups, like a full-body bed with tens of thousands of lights. You lie in it for about 15 minutes, get a full-body treatment, and you're done. Then you've got the at-home devices. These are much smaller panels or pads. They're great for targeting one specific area, but the trade-off is you'll need to use them for longer sessions and probably a lot more often to see results. So now that we know how it works and how you can do it, let's just circle back and put a pin in the proven benefits. What does all that research actually say it can do for you?
And the list is pretty incredible. We're talking confirmed relief for things like arthritis and nerve pain. It helps heal tendons and tissues. It boosts muscle recovery. But it also goes beyond that. Studies have shown it can improve skin, help with sleep, support weight loss, and even reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. The applications just keep growing.
So, if you're going to remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this simple idea. Red light therapy works because it literally charges the batteries inside your cells. When you give your cells more energy, you're just unleashing your body's own natural ability to heal itself. It's an amazing reminder of how powerful our own biology is, which kind of makes you wonder what else is out there that can help us unlock our own potential.